Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to find out how much time you spend daily in Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 vertical line at the top right corner. And in the first option you can see the new feature, Your Activity. Tap on this. Here you can find out how much time you spend daily in Instagram. The average time you spend per day using the Instagram app is 12 minutes. There are some bars which indicates how much time you spent this week. If you want to know the time you spent each day, then tap on the bar and you can see the time will show. Again tap and hold another bar. It's showing that in Sunday you have spent 18 minutes and today you have spent 3 minutes. You can also set daily reminder. Tap on this. If you set here how much time you want to spend daily, then Instagram will send you a reminder once you have reached the time you set for yourself. So that is how you can find out how much time you spend daily in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.